Want GoHighLevel to run complex tasks automatically from start to finish? Here's how to create multi-step automations in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and go to Automation Workflows. Click Create Workflow and choose a trigger, such as a new lead, form submission, or appointment booking. Next, build your automation by adding multiple steps, such as sending an SMS, sending an email, adding a tag, or creating a task for your team. After each action, add wait steps to space out communication so it feels natural. You can also add if/else conditions to create different paths based on user behavior, such as whether they replied or booked an appointment. Once your full multi-step system is built, save the workflow and turn it on. Now GoHighLevel will automatically run a complete sequence of actions for each lead. You have now learned how to create multi-step automations in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.